Today's session is of how to get data from different sources in Power BI desktop. So for that, we need to go to the in our ribbon panel where under the data you will get this get data option. From there, you need to just click the get data, and from here we need to click on SQL Server. So right now we are bringing the data from SQL Server. So for that, we need to give the server name as local host and click on OK. Once you give your name, server name, it will take some few seconds to pop up the navigator window. Now in this navigator window, we need to click on this adventure works DW 2020. I will just use this, and here you can see under this adventure works database, you will get lots of table here. So from this, I need to select some tables that I want for my data analytics. So here I will select gem employee. So as you can see, once you click on this gem employee, you can see the preview of it on your right side. So if I use the scroller, you can see all the columns available here under the gem employee table. Similarly, if I select any other, for example, gym employee sales territory, so you will get the preview of the columns available in that table. So I want to bring this gym employee. I want this gym employee sales territory. I want gym product, and I want gym sales territory, gym reseller, and packed reseller sales. So these are the tables I want for the data analytics. So once you select your table, you can click on transform data. So once you click on transform data, it will automatically open your Power Query editor. If you load the data directly, what happens? There are lots of errors comes up when you load the data directly. So instead of doing loading, we need to transform the data first. We will do all sorts of cleaning and transforming, and then we will load the data into the Power BI desktop. So this is the way you bring the data into the Power BI desktop. So I will click on transform data. So it will open this Power Query editor. And now you can see on your left side, you are getting the tables that you have selected. All right. So this is the way you bring the data from a different sources. So right now we have brought the data from SQL Server. Right. Similarly, I want to bring the data from CSV file. So for that, I will again go to the new source, and I will click this text CSV. I will go to my folder. Just wait a second. Yeah. So here I have this reseller sales target.csv file. So from here, I will select this, and I will just click on OK. So you are bringing your CSV file from your local machine. So wherever it has been store, you can bring that data into your Power BI desktop. So I'm just selecting this reseller sales target CSV and I'm clicking on OK. And here you can see all the columns available in your reseller sales target and just click on OK. So here you can see now we are having a 7 number of tables available for cleaning and transformation. So this is the way you bring the data into the Power BI desktop. So here I have brought two tables from data from two sources. One was from SQL Server and other one was from CSV. So in this way you can bring any data from any data sources.